Welcome back, guys. Today I want to show you how you can use CapCut Pro functionality for free. So first you have your CapCut open. Then you need to look for you have any update in your current version. As you see, and my current version is 9.1. Then we can create a new project. So let me start it. So let me import some video. So for example, I have one of my video for my channel. As you see, in the moment I just export it to the work area. If I want to export it that moment, it's fine because I'm not using any pro functionality. But let me start it to create some functionality, for example, transcription. So as you see for free, so they auto generate for me. We need to wait a little bit, that's normal. So it's almost done. I want to show you functionality. So for example, we can use that once, we can use this for free. Caption, let's see, we have the caption here in the file. What we're doing with the caption, we can go here in caption area and we can do some animation that need to be paid. For example, this red one, all the diamond ones mean is a pro functionality. I will add 2 or 3 of those and show you how that works. As you see, it's different. They're changing the letter. Let me pause. Oh, we can see this one too. Okay. Now let me doing some effect. Let me look for some page ones. That is a page one, so we can download this one. It's loading. We put it here. We can put another effect. Ah, no, this is for free. Sorry, guys. Let me look. This one is. So we have couple effect. We have since need to be payment. So now, if you're trying to export that video, look what happens. There happen like you need to pay for this. So that's not the point. That's not the idea. What we need to do, that's the more important step, is we need to select all elements on the work area using the mouse, or we can do in just Control 8 and that will be select everything. Okay, guys? So after that one, you go right click in top of any select the component and you say create compound click. So you need to wait a little bit. You see it's complete. Now you need to back again and doing right click and I say pre-process. So you need to wait here. That normally take depend of the size of your video, okay? That's all depends. You need to wait until complete 100%. So we wait a little bit. And normally for a video, 10-minute videos, it's taking longer. Hi guys, so that is almost done, 98%. So soon will be complete. So once the process is complete, we continue with the next step. So pre-process is 100%. Again, back to the video, right click, and we're doing save presets. Okay, that one. Then we're saving the copy. This takes some time, depending how big is the file. Okay, that's safe. What I need to do, we can minimize these windows a little bit, and we need to find the file. Okay, so how we found it? Right click in CapCut, we say open file location, and that will have CapCut apps here in the top. You see here in my mouse. So we hit CapCut, then we go to the user data, Then we go to resources, cap, then we go to user data, and then we look for presets, and then we look on combination, and then we look for resources. So the easy way here to find, we need to organize by time or details to see what was the time. So as you see, the last one was this one. So you have two files. You see the MP4 alpha, but you look for the name. The name is exactly to this one. So the right one is this one, okay? So the alpha is a guide, the name that you need to pick it up. So you bring your timetable, your timeline here, and just drag this one to inside to the project. That's all. We can ignore the windows, and then we just match in here, and we hide the second one. It's still there. So now, if you want to export it again, you see we don't have any problem at all. We can export it as we like. So now we export it. So just export it as a normal. Remember, subscribe, give it some like, leave some comments, and share if you have any friends doing editions and video and they want to have CapCut with Pro functionality. Okay, you can do it and do all process to continue editing your video. Okay, just wait to a little bit, they're finished and show you how and do everything. Okay. Hey guys, it's almost complete, 99%, and that's all. Now we have the file complete. So if you want to continue working and saving later, you need to do the same procedure. So it's simple, like delete this one and delete this one. If you're trying to export it that one again, that will be say like you have all these scenes, no? So back to D, and you want to continue working, you just need to undo. Okay, guys. So that's all for tonight, for today. Hope so you are well. See ya again. And don't forget to give me a like. See ya.